Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Ray and I am from usethebitcoin.com. Today we are going to talk about AI coins that are trending in the market now. Now, for those of you guys who are interested in reading about fundamental analysis and the latest news and update, then we published an article in our website, so be sure to check that one out. All right, now let's start. Since AI is now part of our daily lives, it is also undeniable that they will also be integrated with cryptocurrency. Now, in today's video, we will talk about the technical analysis and identify if it's really worth investing or not. All right? Now, for our first coin here, we have GRT, or we call it as the graph. Now, to check if this coin is really worth investing, then let's use an indicator called simple moving average. All right, so let's open our trading view and click our indicator here and type simple moving average. All right, or in other terms, they call it as MA or SMA. Okay, now just change the settings to 100 and make the line quite bigger so you could see it properly. All right, are we now good? Okay, now for us traders, 100 MA is an indicator that tells us about the trend of the coin. If the candlestick is above the line or above the 100 MA, it means that we are in a bullish trend. All right, now look at the candles here. It is above the blue line. Okay, so it means we are in a bullish trend. That would also mean that in an average of 100 days, it remained bullish. It means that is a sign of a strong trend and also a sign that it is also worth investing. All right, now let's look at the best entries and exits. All right, now as you can see, it is now slowly consolidating in these areas. All right, and it's already a good idea to start buying here and to start accumulating here, since we are already at our Fibonacci golden zones, or the golden areas of the Fibonacci, right? Now, in these areas, there are big chances, or there is a potential that in the coming days or weeks, the price might continue to go up, all right? Now, for your entries, those are around 0.33, okay, up to 0.39 or 0.40. Now just place your cut loss at around 0.30, okay? Just below the golden areas of the Fibonacci. Okay, now that's for our first coin. Let's look at the next coin, okay? We have here Fetch AI or FET. All right, now let's type it here, Fetch or FET. Okay, now if you notice, it is also the same with the previous coin. It is above the 100 MA. So it is still in an uptrend and it is also worth investing. Now I already measured it with our Fibonacci, and according here, it is consolidating above this level, which is still a good areas for us to buy. Okay. Now, best entries would be at around $2 up until 2.43 or $2.45. Okay. Now, the best exit levels would be at around 1.65. Okay. So just be sure to place your cut loss here just in case something bad will happen. All right. Next, let's continue with the next one. We have Singularity or AGIX. Okay. Now let's type it here, AGIX. Okay. Now, as you can see, it is also above the 100 MA. And the best areas to buy would be at around 0.97 up until $1.16. All right. And just place your cut loss around here. Okay. Now for our next coin, let's check Render Network. Okay. RNDR. Okay, so let's type it here. All right, so there you go. And as you can see, it is still above 100 MA. Now that is a healthy sign for us to invest, and it is also sitting above the Fibonacci levels. Okay, and it's also forming a good support areas here. So the best areas for us to buy is around $8.89 up until 10.69. Okay. And just place your cutlass here. Now let's continue with our last coin. Okay, we have here near protocol or near. All right, so let's type it here, near. Now same thing, it is also above the 100 MA, and the best entries for you to buy would be at around $5.65 to around $6.90. And the best exit levels would be at around $5.10. All right, so those are just the coins that we are going to talk right now. So the main question here is, are these coins really worth investing? Well, technically, if you're just going to look at the chart, most of those coins are at a good price now, right? They are above the 100 MA. Okay. But you should also take note that cryptocurrency is very volatile. It means it's very wild. It may be a good idea to invest today, but maybe tomorrow or in the future, it will be bad. Okay? And that is why, if you notice, I am really implementing the importance of putting a cut loss or stop loss, because that will save you from future disasters in case that our bias or trading idea won't materialize. All right? And also, if you notice, I'm not talking about any take profit levels, because it's up to you if you're happy with your trades or not. Okay? Now, if you believe in those coins, then invest for a long run. Okay? But if not, then set your target profit for each trade. Okay? But personally, guys, I would only trade coins that are equal to $1 or more than $1, because those coins were already tested through time and it remains strong even with a lot of uncertainties. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope you learned something. And again, if you're interested in reading about the background of those coins, then be sure to check our website for more details, because we will be providing you with a lot of information. Okay? And if you want to have the freshest news and the freshest crypto updates sent directly to your inbox, then just click the link in the description and join our newsletter. Until next time, this is Ray signing off.